Hey everybody, this is Mike and Nicholas is trying to sneak up on me. I'm just gonna play you a song on my guitar, and Nicholas better not interrupt because I'm gonna do something after this video to him. Okay, so ready? Okay, well that was my song, interrupted by Nicholas.
I thought you guys love.
Okay, well I hope you like the song, and I hope nobody's gonna call me ugly anymore. So, please just comment, tell me if I'm ugly,
Tell me if I'm ugly or pretty.
handsome, or decent.
Or decent.
Okay, thanks. Bye. Thanks. Yeah. That's
Yes,
that
means yes in Russian.
Yeah, we're Russian people. We're bilingual. What? Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye.